Hello friends, hope you all are okay. My name is Rahul Mittal and today's video we will learn how to create charts using Excel data. So let's start. Friends, as you can see in my screen, I have created one table where in column it denotes player names like Rohit Sharma, Shikhar Dhawan, Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer till Mohammad Shami, and in rows it is showing the scoring areas like third man, deep point, deep cover till fine leg, and in the middle of that table I put some random numbers which shows how which player score how much run in that particular area. So this is my table, and with the help of this table I will create a chart. So before creating a chart, what will I do? I want to use some functions and feature of Excel. That means in this green area, row number 15, in this area, I want to select a player from the drop down, and whatever player I will select from here, their scoring area run will display here. So let's see how can we do this. So for creating a drop down function, select the cell where you want to create a drop down and go to data, select data validation, click on data validation, select list and minimize that icon. Now you select your player name or column name from here, click on this icon again and click on OK. Now you can see a drop down created with player names till Mohammad Shami, from Rohit Sharma to Mohammad Shami. Rohit Sharma, Shikhar Dhawan, Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer, KL Rahul, Kedar Jadhav till Mohammad Shami. Now, my second option, my second requirement is whatever player I will select from here, like Rohit Sharma. If I select Rohit Sharma, then the overall scoring run will display here till fine leg, third man to fine leg. So for this, I will use sum if formula. So friends, if you don't know how to use formula, then please comment me in this video. I will create another video with formulas so that you can understand how you can create formula in Excel. So let's continue with the current topic. For creating this data here, what will I do? I will create some formula. For this, I will select the cell and type equals to and then sum if, use bracket, and here you can see it is asking for three parameters. First is range, second is criteria, and third is sum range. So in this table my range is my column name, so I will select the column name from Rohit Sharma to Mohammad Shami and press F4. Then I will use comma. My second parameter is criteria. So what is my criteria? In this table my criteria is drop down value. Whatever drop down value I will select, it will show this. So I will click on my drop down cell and press F4. Now comma. My third parameter is sum range. So I will select the sum range of my input data, close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see 10 is defined here. I will just select that cell and double click. Now it's work. See what I selected Rohit Sharma. Now I will validate whatever name I will select from this here drop down. It will show their data. So I will select at KL Rahul. So I select KL Rahul and KL Rahul score is 17036,470 and it's already display here like this. That means whatever validation we have used is showing properly. Let's do it again by selecting Jasprit Bumrah. You can see Jasprit Bumrah score. He scored 2 runs in third man. he scored 2 runs in deep point. Similarly, third man 2-2 and deep point is 2. Similarly, he scored till 5. He scored 34 runs with different scoring areas. Now you can check it with another name like Shikhar Dhawan. Its scoring area is 15, 15, 7, 8, 9, 12, 15, 10. It's equals to same here. So now what in this table, it's in this colorful table, what we want, whatever batsman we will select here will display here also. So for this, select that cell, press equals to, and click on your drop down cell and press enter. Now you can see it is showing Shikhar Dhawan. Now for validate it, I will select another name like Kedar Jadhav and see Kedar Jadhav here. For this, if we select Jasprit Bumrah, it is showing Jasprit Bumrah here. And in this column, I want to show the runs made by the player. So what will I do? I will select the cell, press equals to, write sum, use bracket, and select the entire this area and close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see Jasprit Bumrah score 34 runs. Here you can see Jasprit Bumrah score 34 runs. Now what will we do? We will change the player by Kedar Jadhav. Kedar Jadhav overall score is 28. You can check here that Kedar Jadhav scored 28 runs. Similarly, Kedar Jadhav scoring areas are 0, 6, 1, 2, 7, 5, 6, 1. Similarly, it is here. That means our requirements are as per that, and now we will create a pie chart. So for creating a pie chart, what will we do? We will select our this table till the end, go to insert, and you can select a pie chart. I will click recommended chart also, because as per the table, Excel recommends what type of chart we can prefer. So we will click recommended chart, otherwise you can select any of these charts. So I am clicking here. It will recommend lots of types, so I will select as pie chart. Click on OK. Now you can see my pie chart is created. I will make small and big by using drag drop. Now you can see my chart is created, but it is not looking properly. I will select this color background. Now it looks fine. Now what will I do? I just want to show the color combination with the values. So what will I do? I will select any of the color, click right click, and add data labels. See, when you click data labels, the value, the runs value will display here, but it is not showing properly. So what will we do? We will again right click, go to data labels, format data labels. See, one window will open here. Now here you can select your required parameters, like whatever I will select category name. If I will select category name, then it will show what type of how many runs created in what scoring area. Like this shows backward square leg is 6. Here the batsman Kedar Jadhav scored backward square run is 6, which is showing here. Similarly, whatever you can play with that data. Now we will validate it, but we will close this, and now we will validate again by changing the player name. So here I will do select Rohit Sharma. Now see, the chart changes as per the data provided here. What we can validate here, fine leg 9. Rohit Sharma, he scored 9 runs in fine leg. Deep mid wicket he scored 31 runs. In deep mid wicket he scored 31 runs. In long on he scored 25 runs. For long on he scored 25 runs. Similarly, the data display here. So by the use of this table, we can create any type of charts, any type of charts with any type of data. So friends, if you think this is a useful video for you, then please like and share with your friends, and also subscribe my channel and click on notification bell icon for my new videos. Till then, keep practicing, and thank you for watching.